Weeks ago, I bought these folders at Target. They are really beautiful and I put different things inside of each one. But the thing is, I don't want to write on the folder itself. I want to be able to reuse them. So if I finish a project and I take the papers out and put something in, I wanted to be able to reuse the folder because they're really good quality folders. They're absolutely beautiful and I don't want to rebuy them. And as I was thinking on it, I've been thinking on it for weeks. I was like, I don't want to put a permanent marker on the front because it's not going to come off. And I don't want to scribble on it. I still want it to be pretty. And I don't want to use like an Avery label sticker because sometimes they either don't stay, right? Depending on what the folder is made out of, or they leave a residue when you pull it off. And I didn't want to re-put another sticker on top because you can see through it. Like my mind went through all of these different scenarios. And as I was thinking about this, I was like, teachers, we have the same problem in the classroom as well when we reuse supplies and reuse folders and binders and all of these things, right? What I did was I bought these binder spine stickers. I've done this before in the classroom. I've actually used these for other things as well, and I'll show you here in a minute. But I want to show you how many use these to label the folders and also how easy it is to just change out the title on the folder, what you could easily do for your student binders, student folders, all of the things. The really cool thing is you don't have to laminate anything, you don't have to Velcro anything. All you have to do is create the labels and you can just do this on regular paper. So I used PowerPoint to just create these little sample ones really quick to show you how I'm going to use these on the folder. So you can see I have a bunch of different folders here and I want to be able to reuse them. I don't want to have to throw them away when I'm done, but I want to label them so that I know what's in them. So I'm going to open this up and get my folders ready. This works great, not only for folders, you can do this with binders as well, IEP work bins, anything that you buy that you spend a little bit of money on that should be reusable year after year, but you want to label, just buy some binder spine sticker label holders, whatever you want to call them, throw them on there, make your own labels or write them in and the ones that come with it, and you're good to go.